Alright, well, I'm going to try to get a video of this Marlin here. 1973 Marlin 336 in 30-30 caliber. As you can see, it's plated either nickel or chrome. When I first bought it, I thought it was stainless steel, but I since found out that Marlin didn't start making a stainless steel until 2000 was the first year for stainless. So this one here is obviously plated then. I'm going to get it down and let you guys get a little closer look at it. I've had quite a few requests to look at this thing, so bear with me. I'm not much of a photographer. Alright, I'm going to pull the stock off here. Let you guys kind of look at as best I can the inside of this thing. This gun came from the East Coast. Wondering maybe if this plating job wasn't done for maritime usage or something. I talked to a guy that's had about 40 years in the gunsmithing business. He took a good look at this gun inside and out. Said by the patina on the finish, and with all of his experience, he seemed to think that this gun was probably taken straight from Marlin, unfinished, to a plater. I don't know what these little punch marks are. Get this camera to focus here. Little punch marks right here. There's a serial number starting with 270. Definitely a 1973 model. Pretty good looking unit. Don't know what to make of it. Certainly is no hack job that somebody did. Don't know if it came from the factory this way or was sent off to a plater immediately. But like I said, the dealer that I had look at it said he thought that this plating job looked 30-40 years old, so he wouldn't doubt that if this firearm didn't go from Marlin unfinished straight to a plater. Anyway, let me know what you guys think.